Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see while loop. So how we can use it some while loop with tips and tricks. So normally we can use everyone knows like how to use it while loop, but some tips and tricks we can see it in the today's session. Let me open idle. So normal while loop is like x equal to 0. First I am declaring the variable and then while x less than or 10 colon is must, and then we need to increment like x equal to x plus 1, otherwise this will go an infinite loop. Let me show that as well. Now print of x. Now you can see like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now if you give like this while x less than 10, and then in you haven't given that incremental, but you just given printed. Now what happened, let's see. It is never ending loop, so it will go as an infinite loop, it never ends. So because of that you will always use like the incremental in the while loop, but in for loop that is auto incremental, so you no need to do that. Let me open idle again. Let me close this, close the program, because this will hang. So because of that you should always use while loop with the incremental values. Let me open some other idle. Yeah, so now you always use like some while x less than or 10, but I don't want to use like this. Let's see, x equal to 10, I'm just giving this value. Now enter while x colon, I'm not giving any values. That means this will take like x equal to true. That means x equal to 10, like this. This is what we need to consider. If I'm not giving anything here, simply use the variable, then it will consider this x value is true. So then automatically it will go inside in the loop. Let's see now, x enter. I'll say like x equal to x minus 1. I want to print it iteration in a reverse order. Let's see now, print x and then enter. So it just printed in a reverse order with 10 times, but you never mention anything here, but however it just worked. So that means this x equal to true, then it automatically enter into this. Now I want to do some tricks like I will say like entering the password. If it is 5 times I attempted, after 5 times attempted it should say like your account locked, or within the 5 attempts I just enter the right password, then it I should get the right message. Now let's see how we can do it here. I just say like x equal to 5, declaring something like this, while x, and then I can say like x equal to true, like this. um, or I can say like x or equal to 5, like this you can use it. Anything is fine, or x equal to, this one is also fine, x equal to x minus 1. Now I'll take like password input. I'm asking the password to the user, enter the password, and then if password equal to python, then I should get a message like colon is missing, x equal to 5, while this one, and then print log on successfully, and then break, stop the process here itself. Next, if it is not, then we can say like print of x comma then space first attempt left, like that, 4 attempts left, 5 attempts left, like that I want to say. Here I just print it. After that, all attempts are left over, then I should display like else your account locked. Now let's see this. Enter the password T, just typing T. 4 attempts left, T. 3 attempts left, 2 attempts left, your account locked, like this. Now x equal to 5, I have to use it the same thing. Okay, because this arrow mark is not here, that's why you are getting an error message. X equal to 5, enter. Now you can paste it here. Enter the password T T T. Now entering the right password, Python logon successfully. It is logon successfully, and then it just come out from the loop. Let's see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.